Hi, my beautiful Sagittarius people. Hope you all are doing well in your life. And the most important thing, this is the video on the topic like what will be coming in your love life in the September month. Okay, let's check. You are very negative, right? Very low. Maybe you are manifesting many things in your life, but they are not working. Let me know in comment section. Okay. Death card. This is not the negative card. Okay, don't take it like, oh god, what the rubbish is going on. No, this is not the thing actually. It is the most positive card. Okay, Three of Wands. You're always thinking about her or him. Hanged Man. That's why you are hanging yourself. Okay. Next we have Ten of Pentacles, Seven of Wands, Page of Wands, Two of Swords. Oh my god. And the bottom of the deck is Tower. Very negative, very negative. Okay, so in this September month, what will be coming in your love life? First thing what I have to tell you is you are very negative actually, and this is some sort of kind bad thing in your life. Your negative thoughts, you are creating these kind of struggle in your life just because of your thought, and this is wrong, definitely wrong. Okay, so just change it. I hope you will. We have this Death card, and this is really very positive card for me. I don't know why people are just scared to see this card. I just love this card. Okay, I mean, just look at this. All evil will gone and all happiness will coming. Okay, so I must tell you, like in your career life, actually I'm predicting here love life, but the career part is also there, so I have to just tell you because this is my moral duty, right? So what I'm seeing here is all the devil and evil part in your life will be end in your abundance, which is stopping and blockaging your abundance, your pentacles, your career, your financial issues. Okay, so definitely all these rubbish will be just finish in your life in this September month. Will finish. Okay, then we have this, and this is the most heartbreaking card. Okay, so you are really very in stress, Sagittarius people. You must think like nothing will be change, nothing will be going to be best, nothing will be going to be good. You are just like, oh my god, what is all these going in my life? Okay, you are struggling yourself in urge of something, to earn something, to get something in your life. You are manifesting so hard but can't find anything. We have Page of Wands card, and we have Two of Swords card also. So maybe there is some kind of family issues going on there. Okay, and because of this family issues, and I must tell you one thing, that this kind of family issues is not from your partner. It's all just because of your parents. It's from your side. Okay, and that's why you are hanged. But the one thing which is really very relevant and good in this card is, can you just look at this person's face, right? He's like, okay, whatever is going in my life is just okay. So there are so many problems, but still you are just want to be happy. And this is the what I'm always telling you, like, please just be happy in yourself, because you have to be happy. You have to change your life with your positive thinking and with your positive thoughts, right? Let me shuffle some more cards to see what is going on in your love life in this September month. I'm not seeing any kind of new change in your life, but let's check with cards also, right? Okay, so we have, see, Moon card. Definitely there is a mother issue from your side, actually. From your side. Okay. Mother issues. And I must tell you, in this September month, your love life will be stuck. Okay. Your love life will be stuck. Tower card. Should I have to tell anything or say anything? No, right? So in September month, again, what is this? Devil. This is very wrong, guys. This is very wrong. Why you people like, oh my god, what is going on in my life, and always in some kind of things. No, just don't do this in your life, okay? Just don't create the rubbish, the shit in your life. Seriously. Okay? Seriously. So I think in this September month, I'm not seeing any kind of change in your love life. It will be more stuck, actually, because of your thinking process. Okay. We have courage. Definitely you have to build courage in yourself. Receptivity, definitely. And then we have healing. Okay. So just you have to go with the flow and just heal yourself first. Okay. Be positive. Sagittarius people, this is not what you are actually. Stress, definitely you have. Trust, you don't have, but you have to build this trust on divine. Okay. Then we have inner voice. Just listen to your inner voice, guys. Why you are not listening to the inner voices? Innocence. Yes, you are really very innocent person, but still you are creating all these rubbish in your life. I know this is some kind of your immaturity, but you have to change it, right? You have to change it. We have change. This is like always with me. Always. I'm telling you about change, and there is a change card. You have to change it. You have to change it, honey. You have to change it. Because we are coming on earth to develop something. Not to like always be in a sorrow, always be in a negative and effective phase. We have adventure. Okay. And bottom of the deck, traveling. So you have to travel. I think some of the people, Sagittarius people, always having a hobby to be travel, and I must tell you that you have to again recreate it, because you are in a very negative phase. Very negative phase. Let me shuffle some angelic guidance also, so it will be more relevant for us, right? These angels, give them some kind of blessings and messages. Okay. Unlikely. Oh my god. Unlikely you are creating all these kind of things in your life. Definitely. Anything else? Angels, please guide us. I'm not taking all these. Please tell me with... Okay. Please tell me with... Big happy changes. Yeah, definitely. There is also a change card, and now this is a confirmation. So you have to change your life, or definitely if you try and manage all the things in your life, definitely it will be going to be very soon. Okay, so this is the Sagittarius people love reading for September month. There is no kind of change in your life, but still you have to change yourself first to create some kind of change in your love life. Okay, so if you like this video, give it thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, let me know in the comment section what you like in this video and what not, and of course love yourself first. Okay, bye.